biomolecules. Chemical bonds are defined
enzymes
are types of
protein.
Biology is the study of life.
Welcome to the course Introduction to Molecular Biology. This introductory course will provide you the tools to understand the fundamentals about molecular biology. My name is Francesco Sparragosa. I have been studying science for several years, focusing on the microscopical area. I have experience in video editing and providing simple structured lectures that will help you to grasp the most difficult concepts of this course. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand, for instance, the role of enzymes and how to do the electron configurations of all elements on the periodic table. I'll be teaching the foundations of biochemistry and biomolecules, so you are prepared to delve into cellular biology. The ideal student for this course is a high school or a pre-medicine student that has none to discrete level of biology knowledge. Don't hesitate to look the course description, and I look